Oh, hey, everybody. Welcome to Dumb Investing. You'll notice we're missing Harry, and we were missing me last night. I've been training this week, and I lost my voice. So the show wouldn't have been very fun having me come in here all hoarse and stuff. So it is Tuesday. This is Dumb Investing, dumbest investing channel, all YouTubes. This is the channel where we roll random dice, we pick random stocks, we invest our hard-earned retirement money into it, and we kick some butt doing it. So it's a whole lot of fun. So what we're doing tonight, rolling dice, checking out our portfolio. We'll be back with Harry, I hope, tomorrow night, and we might even do a market commentary then. So let's go have some fun. Let's go roll some dice. All right, the way we do this, random.org. We go out here, we roll random dice. It says 5. We go out here to a random stock picker, and we click it 5 times. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first stock we're looking at tonight is FMF. All right, we go back here. We roll a dice again. Bingo, 4. We go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, W, M, C. And you know what? Did I do this thing right? I probably didn't. Let's see. We want to do it like that. All right. D, W, M, C. All right, next one. Roll that thing one more time. We got a 6. Go out here to our random stock picker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rice. All right. We're going to start with rice. And since I'm by myself, normally Harry's here. Harry uses Webull, which is our trading platform. You follow the link down below. Put in $100. You're going to get 2 free stocks. We are going to go see what rice is all about. All right. Well, similar to rice. So apparently rice is a no longer use. Well, there we go. Rice acquisition. Hot dog. We found it. Or not. I don't know what happened with rice. It has a price, but it won't let us see it. Well, that's the first time that has happened to us. I'm not sure why rice is not pulling up. Well, enough of that one. We will go try DWMC. Dorsey Wright Microcap. I don't know what any of that means. Let's see how long they've been around. They've been trading for a while. Way, way past where they were pre-pandemic. Pre-pandemic, they were sitting around 23. They have almost doubled since then. So let's see who these guys are and what they look at. All right, so they are seeking to achieve investments, blah, blah, blah. Common preferred stock, American deposits. All right, well, that makes sense that we have a lot of cash being held right now. So it's a little scary, that one. We're going to see what else we've got here. FMF, sorry. First Trust Managed Futures. That sounds like a lot more fun. Let's see what they got going on. So they've been around for a while. They came way off in 18. Why would they have come off in 18? They hit the dip that everybody else did. They kind of came back, had a dip again, almost as severe as the first COVID dip. And let's see, so from a COVID dip, so they've come way back, but look at where they used to be. So who are these guys investing in? These guys are investing in exchange traded funds that are not directly correlated to broad market equity or fixed income returns. The fund is wholly subsidiary. Well, there is not much news about these. They don't have a whole lot of volume. So the chance of getting a fractional share, because we've been generally doing about $20, so we would have to buy one whole share of that. And I'm not too sure I would want to do that. Man, oh man, what do we do today, guys? How come we can't get rice up here? That is blowing me away. That's pretty funny, rice-a-roni. Well, I think FMF is going to have to be it. we will see what happens tomorrow. If we can find a fractional share, we will get some FMF. If we can't find a fractional share, man, guys, we may have to go back to one of the stocks we've already bought because this was a pretty crap night. One of them doesn't even come up. One of them was crap. So we'll have to see. So that was fun. We rolled our dice. We've got our 3 stocks. We'll take a look and see if we can find if we can get a fractional one of these. Well, actually, we'll figure that out later. Okay, on to the portfolio. Let's see how we're doing. So I figured out Webull a little bit more. This is how we did today. So today, biggest winner, we have the Simon Properties Group. You remember we argued about that a little bit? Their earnings came out, I think 2 days ago, and they have been on a rocket ever since. So they're doing awesome. They're up almost $10 today, 7% change. That is awesome. I mean, that's what we want to see, right? That's totally rocking it. Alta Equipment Group, not as much. I mean, we're up 4%. That's not bad. Alta has been kind of hanging down at the bottom. The fact that Worry is one of our top holdings and it's positive by 1% today is a great sign. And it's good to see Starbucks coming back because they have been kind of lagging. Now, Mag Silver was also one of our top holdings and they are also positive today. So that is a good sign for our positive holdings. Now, what we do need to talk about are the negatives, which we're about 50-50 today. But the biggest loser is by far Zillow Group. They are down 11% today. They decided that they don't know how to do algorithms that help them find houses to flip. So they are liquidating a whole bunch of houses that they bought because they thought they were going to flip. I don't know if they watched too much HGTV and just thought it was real easy to do or what, but they are a complete train wreck right now. All right, second one down is that Brazilian. And you guys know, if you've been watching us at all, this Brazilian has just been, just been beat up. Hopefully this is going to level out one day. But these two are going to be on real close to our bottoms. They're going to be keeping the BurgerFi company here. So other than that, there's not a whole lot to talk about that's going on down here. It's nice to see that, the negatives are not horrible. Compared with, we've got a lot of positives going on here. Overall for the day, I don't think this is good for our day though, because it looks like we have more negative than positive. So let's see, how do we find our day? I think our day is over here. All right, yep. So for today, we were down $6, which kind of sucks because, man, yesterday we didn't do a show, but we were up $16 yesterday. I mean, how awesome is that? Yesterday would have been a real fun day to have a show if I would have had a voice. But anyways, that $16 day put us positive. We're positive almost $4 now with our holdings. You guys all know back in the old days, we'd like to get above 3,000. That's our break even for the channel, but we have a lot of previous sins that we're still trying to dig out from. But we're going the right way. We're positive. We've had more positive days, or more positives than negatives lately, and that is doing awesome. So overall in the holdings, Mag Silver, I mean, this thing is knocking out of the park, 26.2, right on Mag Silver. That is going great. Worry Bank, we talked about them being positive again today. They were up 1%, puts it overall at 25.7. I mean, holy cow, those are both awesome holdings, right? The ProShare Russell was finally starting to catch up to the rest of the market. They're doing good at 14%. Alta, we just talked about them. They're at 14%. On Assignment kind of is working their way back up. They're up almost 13%. We've got Direxion, the industrials bull, the recovery thing we thought was going to happen, up 12%. And PNC, which is the small financial services group, up 10%. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to count that guy. 8 holdings that are 10% or higher. Right on. This is some good stuff for us. All right, on the negatives, let's see how bad Zillow is. All right, so Zillow is second place negative, down 21.8%. The Brazil leading the way, 32% loss. It is what it is. Hopefully this thing comes back soon. BurgerFi hanging out still down here. Man, that one is such a hard one. We want them to succeed so bad, but I don't know what's going to happen there. And then we've got a lot of stuff sitting here in the middle that isn't doing a lot of stuff. Starbucks still negative for us. It was nice to have them see a positive day, but for us, still a negative holding. Nothing else in here is really coming. I haven't heard much about anything on the list. So that's where we're sitting. We got some bad picks today. We are positive overall. We're doing good. We're having fun. We're rolling dice. We're picking stocks. So everybody, thanks for joining. We'll figure out what we're going to buy tomorrow. It sounds like it's going to be FMF if I can get a fractional share in it. Maybe I'll look into them a little deeper, and maybe we'll just go all in with one. We've got plenty of money in the bank right now. We've still got $2,000 worth of cash, so we can still do the show for a long time and build a really cool portfolio and have a lot of fun. Thanks for joining us. Have a great evening. Appreciate every single one of you. We'll see you tomorrow night.